The bag of rice, yes. This is the one that somebody gave to me as a gift. A bag of rice as a gift. Who does that?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mos, and today I'm going to be doing some more cooking for you. Today on the menu I've got some rice, some chicken, peas and some sweet corn. It's kind of like a Chinese, I would say, maybe, possibly, it could be. It's got some soy sauce in there as well, so I'll figure the title of the video later. I haven't really thought about it right now, but we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well, and enjoy the show. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's what we're going to do. We've got a frying pan and we've got a pan. Right now I'm going to put some oil in this, just like so. Not too much, right? Give it a little wiggle, wiggly. Make it all nice and oily in the base of the pan, or frying pan, whatever you want to call it. It is hot, it's been on for a while. Right, what I've got, 3 eggs. Whoa. Let that go in there like so. Watch out for the shells. Number uno. Number dos. That's number 2, by the way. And number 3. Right? Let that do its thing. Wash your hands. Well, I just made a mess. Clean it, right? Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Right. Let that do its thing. And you want to mix it all up. You don't want it to be in the same form or shape. Get it all mixed. Right? We're making stir-fried rice, chicken, peas, and sweet corn, and a bit of soy sauce on top. Right? Can you guys see that? Are we looking good? So far so good. Just cut it down as well so it doesn't all stick together. It's better that way. It's a simple dish, easy to make, and it's got two of the 5 that you need, which is your sweet corn and your peas. So that's good. It's kind of healthy-ish, right? That's that. What I'm gonna do is get these, empty it out, right? Get it all out. Okay? That's our eggs done. Don't worry about that, it's getting cold or whatever. Not a problem whatsoever, that's fine. It's gonna get heated up again. Now, what you wanna do is get your chicken. Look at that. Just add a little bit of oil so it doesn't burn. Right? Give it a little mix. Okay? And then you want to add a little bit of pepper. Oh crap, I just made a whole mess. Sorry about that, guys. It does happen. A bit of salt, just a pinch, not a lot. Right? Woo. And now, time to mix it. Oh my god, there's pepper all over the floor, guys. Anyway. This is what you want to do, okay? There's that. I'm going to turn this down so I can buy some time, okay? There we are. And we're going to leave that to cook, okay? Gonna pour some rice in there, drain it out, wash it a few times, get as much starch out of the rice as you can, and I'm gonna heat it up. Yeah, and we are back. So I've got the rice cooking. Put some hot water from the kettle in there to make it speed up and do it quickly. We've got our chicken. Let me turn this back up. Give it a little stir. Make things speed up a little bit, should I say? Or yeah, basically. Give it some more time. You can still see some bits of the chicken is still not cooked right. So you want to make sure the chicken is cooked properly, guys. You don't want to mess around with the chicken. It's no joke. I'm sure I've mentioned this in many of my videos before, but safety with chicken, yeah, don't mess around, guys. It's yeah. Just cut up the chicken into smaller bits, just so you get more chicken, you know. I mean, I told someone to put some chicken out for me, right? And she turned out to be a bit stingy, so I had to do with what I was given. I wish there was more chicken. I like my chicken, but anyway, let's not get into that, right? So hence why I got to cut the chicken into even smaller pieces, so it looks like we've got more chicken, but obviously we don't, because somebody was stingy. Anyway, let this go on for a bit. Look at our rice. Keep an eye on that. It's boiling. Now we want to be careful with that because we don't want the bottom of the pan to be fried, to fry the rice. We call it tadik. We don't want that. The crispy rice at the base of the pan. We don't want that. We want it all to be soft because we want to. Yeah, we don't want this ain't no Persian food, right? My God, there's some quite chunky bits of chicken, isn't there? There you go. That's a bit better. That's so stingy, guys. So stingy. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. Anyway. Yeah. This is getting done. That is getting done. I think give that 5 minutes and then it should be ready. I think I'm putting oil in that, guys. Can you believe it? No oil in the rice. Just a little bit in this so it doesn't stick, it doesn't burn. Yeah. Look at that. Let that go on for a little bit longer, and we're going to take this off the heat, and then I'm going to show you what's good after this. So let this get ready, let that get ready. Things are moving. What I want you to do, just take a moment and listen to that sizzling noise from the chicken, the boiling rice, the steam. Oh my God, in this kitchen, right? Steam is all over the place. I enjoy this, guys. I don't know about you guys if you enjoy watching it or what, but this cooking, stirring this, make sure this doesn't burn. Check it out for this one, make sure this doesn't burn. The smell, the steam, the heat, the movement. So watch out for this, watch out for that. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Yeah, we are almost ready with this. The chicken is almost ready. So what I'm about to do is pour it out onto our plate. We've got some sweet corn. Pour it in. You don't have to pour all of it in, just as much as you want, you know. Yeah, leave it as that. Okay. You've got some peas. Pour it in there. As much as you want. Alright? Just kind of cook them as well, because obviously they're not cooked or anything. Just give it, let the heat get to it, mix it so it becomes soft, and then the taste of all that chicken, the salt, the pepper, the oil marinates into this, and then obviously all of this is going to go into the rice. So yeah, let's see how we go with our rice. I'm going to use the same spoon. Look at that. We're getting there. Come on, mate, hurry up. People are hungry out here, you know. This rice. This bag of rice. Guys, I told you. Oh, wow. What was I saying? The bag of rice, yes. This is the one that somebody gave to me as a gift. A bag of rice as a gift. Who does that, guys? But thank you, I appreciate it, thank you. Right, this is almost ready as well, because you don't want to really burn it too much or anything like that. Looking all good, looking all healthy, smells good. Just the peas, I wish it was a bit more green, you know, like the proper bright green colors you see. So with the yellow it mixes nice, but this, I guess it's only for the adverts, I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't look as green as you see in the adverts, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to turn that off because we don't need it to be on heat like that anymore. And get this going there, give it a little spin. Wow, the steam is hot, guys. It's no joke, you know. Right, give it a little stir, make sure it doesn't stick to the base of the pan. How's it going? Does this look cooked to you guys? Let me taste it a little bit. Nope, could do a bit more water. Let me turn off the heat. Actually, let me switch places. This is bigger. Go for it, turn this off. Leave that there. Get some water from the kettle, pour it in. Right, let it go on. This needs more time, obviously. It's not quite so ready. So let that go on for 2-3 more minutes. Let the water evaporate, should I say properly. And yeah, as you can see, it's almost ready. Look at that, guys, the colors, even though the green isn't as much as green as I want it to be, but still, look at that, it just looks pretty, isn't it? I'm gonna drain this. Give me a second. I will be only a few moments. Get a bit of oil. Should have really done it at the beginning. Anyway, there's that. Okay. Be careful with that because it is hot. It will burn. Right. What you want to do, I'll take off the heat for a sec. Right. There goes our chicken and our eggs. There's that. Oh gosh, why? There's that. Just reheat that for a sec. Okay. Also, peas and sweet corn. Get it all in there. Get it all in there. Happy days, right? Give it a stir. It's all gonna warm up now, right? Can you guys see inside the pan or not? I don't know. Well, I mean, it's not so attractive to look in the pan. It's, you know, everything's mixed up and yeah, anyway. Okay, there's that, right? Then, what you want to do, get your rice, wiggle it out, pour it in, let that be. What you also want to do, soy sauce time, go for it. Pour it in. Okay, it's not too much, don't worry about it, just a little bit, not a lot, you know. That's that. Look at that. And then what you want to do is mix everything up. Mix it all up. See how it changes color? It comes to life. Look at the beauty of that, look at that. The rice, the chicken, the peas, the sweet corn, the smell, the steam. Guys, I cannot wait to have this in a bowl with a fork and stuff in my face with this chicken and rice and a bit of veggies. can't go wrong. Just let it heat up, let it, you know, let the soy sauce do its thing, marinate. Guys, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Don't want it to burn or anything. Yeah. Just bring up to the sides so it can breathe out from the corners. Well, not corners, there is no corner in the pan. There you go, that's that. Right, so we're there. All I'm gonna do is turn this off, give it the final stir, make sure all the juice, all the taste from the bottom mixes up within the top and the bottom rice, everything, you know, the taste is even. You don't want one side to taste good and the other side to taste blunt, or you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean, right? Anyway, get a bowl, get all of that goodness, get it in the bowl. Look at that. Just look at that. I just wish the peas were more green, man. That's the only bit that I'm disappointed in, but anyway, never mind. Let me just pattern it out for you guys, make it look pretty. Let me get some of that chicken, eh? Get some of that chicken out. Look at that. This is one way to do it, I guess, right? I'm gonna make it look good. Let me take this off the heat, guys. I don't want the rest of that to burn. That is about enough. All I'm gonna do to this is put some parsley on there, and we should be good to go. Quite simply so. There you are. Spread it. There you are. Voila. Bon appetit, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come